Now we are going to see about the measurement chapter 2. That's very easy this chapter. That's nothing but it's related to the rectangle and parallelogram. Okay, we already know about the rectangle. The rectangle is, this is a rectangle, right? So we are having a length and a breadth. That is called as a rectangle. In a area of the rectangle, what is the formula? L into B square unit. So perimeter of the rectangle means you are having a 2 length and 2 breadth, right? So addition of 2 length and 2 breadth, that is 2 into L plus B. Then in previous session, in last year I teach this, right? So what is a rectangle, what is a square, what is a right angle? So those formulas are they given in the end. Okay. So what is the perimeter of the square? 4A. Area of the square? A square. We already, but in 6th standard you learn that's a side into side. So you can give A into A also. So no issue. So right angle triangle, area of the right angle triangle equal to half into base into height. That is the right angle. So try this tabulation and send it in the personal chat. Okay. So that's for your recall. Now the majorly we are going to see about in a measurement is your rectangle. So rectangle is, we already know this is a rectangle. So area of the rectangle means L into B. Okay, so L into B, I can mention this full paper area covered, where how much it's covered. Okay, so perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but 2L. So L I am getting 2L 2B. So addition of 2L plus 2B. So I am getting this formula. So by using this rectangle, we are going to see about the parallelogram. If you're going to fold this rectangle in this place, okay, in this place you fold, and this place you fold a little bit, right, a parallelogram. Okay, so if you're folding this place and this place, you're getting your parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram and rectangle is nothing but the same. So whenever you're slanting your rectangle, that is a parallelogram. So obviously whose length is equal, breadth, whose length is equal. So this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. It should be parallel. A is parallel to C, B is parallel to D. Okay, in higher classes we will learn about this more, but in your class session what they mention is parallelogram area is nothing but rectangle and parallelogram is nothing but equal. Okay, because in this area of the rectangle we have L into B, but in this place we are having, this is a base, so I can draw my height. Because I made a 90 degree, that is my height. So this is my H. Okay, that's a 90 degree. So I am having a base into height. That's all. But in the area L into B, L into mean base length into breadth, right? But in this place, my breadth is not a constant. That's why my breadth is in this place base. So in this place I am getting, this is a height H. So B into H is the L into B. It's a little bit difference, but in your book what they mention, rectangle and parallelogram nothing but equal only. Okay, they already mentioned. Look at this, you can understand. Okay, area of the rectangle, length into breadth. So in this place length is your base, height is your this breadth. That's only they mention. So obviously area of the rectangle is equal to area of the parallelogram. So perimeter of the parallelogram means sum of the 4 sides. So length of the sides means 4 sides. So A, B, C, D. That's why I am representing A, B, C, D. Addition of A, B, C, D. Okay, this is enough for this introduction. And we will see in chapter 2.1. Okay, so they given the 2.1 first sum. So what they given? Find the area of the and the parallelogram. Find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram. So what they given in exercise 2.1. 2.1 is the area of parallelogram. First of all, you know about the area of the parallelogram formula. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area should be square unit. What's the perimeter of? You should write the formula, otherwise they should cut the mark. Okay, I definitely cut the mark. If you miss the unit also, I should definitely cut the mark. Unit should be mentioned. So perimeter of the parallelogram A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. So what they given? They given the diagrammatical, so you can find out the values. It's like a rectangle, na? The rectangle is little bit slant. That's it. Little bit slanting. The measurement is not different. So in rectangle, what? Opposite sides are equal. The same parallelogram. So this side is equal to this side. So 11 centimeter. I already told you rectangle equal. Parallelogram is equal in measurement, but it should be slanting little bit change. That's it. So in this place I am having. So I am having in this place 3 centimeter. So what they asking? Parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram. Area. So what are the given? They give. The given AB equal to DC equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. Then BC equal to AD equal to 4 centimeter. They given by using the rectangle. Okay. So parallelogram also same. So in this place my height equal to 3 centimeter. What is my base? Base is nothing but they already given, right? This is a base. So 11 centimeter. This is for perimeter of that measurement. This is for a area's measurement. So area of parallelogram. Area of the base into h square unity, right? So what's the base? 11 into what's the height? 3. What is in centimeters? So centimeters. And 3s are 33 centimeters square. Then area of perimeter of parallelogram. Perimeter of the parallelogram, what? Adding all this side. So A plus B plus C plus D. That's equal to 11 plus 4 plus 11 plus 4. I know this only I can mention this value. 11 plus 4, 15. 15. So this also addition 15. 15 plus 15. 30 centimeter. That's it. Okay. Now from this is you can write. Okay. For your remember only I wrote this formula. Okay. Write the question and directly draw the diagram. So given should be come in this place. So base and height, area of the parallelogram, then perimeter of the parallelogram. That's it. Okay.